So I just want to show you. So if your screen looks like this, if you're on a laptop, if you want to change your background, one thing you can do is go to More Actions and Apply Background Effects. So if you don't want people to see your background, you can blur it. So you click on Blur and then Apply. And now you can't see what's in my background. You can also choose one of these other options so that my background is completely different than what it was. So, and there's a few options here, so you can choose whatever you like. If you want, if you're comfortable with the background you have, that's fine too. Just want everyone to know that this is an option that you can use, and if you want to go back to your usual background, you just go back to that little symbol there, and now you can see my background again. Okay. Thanks, guys.